Let us all pause this Independence Day to honor the building of the United States, a nation founded on liberty, justice, and self-determination. Independence Day continues to send echoes across the centuries, reminding us all of the courage it took for the Founding Fathers to sign their names to a dream. They envisioned a land where freedom was not a privilege, but a right for every citizen. That vision laid the cornerstone for this great nation. Today we remember those who carried their visionary torch forward at all costs. The brave men and women in uniform, their sacrifices, both past and present, have protected our independence and kept our flag, Old Glory, flying high. Every veteran, every service member, and every family member that stood behind them, we remember and give thanks for. From the foxholes of wars past to the landscapes of modern-day conflicts, it is only through their valor, their dedication, and their contributions that our freedoms and liberty continues to endure. The United States, a force of good that stands as a beacon of hope and freedom for people around the world. Our ideals, enshrined in the Declaration of Independence, are a plumb line for freedom, guiding and inspiring generations. As fireworks light the sky and parades fill our streets, let us celebrate more than just a date on the calendar. Join us at TECfusions as we unapologetically celebrate the freedoms we are privileged to protect and the patriotic spirit that unites us all. From the fields of revolution to the front lines of technology, the American journey has always been about pushing boundaries and standing tall and strong in the face of adversity. This day we reflect on our shared heritage and the thought-provoking sacrifices that have secured our liberties and freedoms in this land. This Independence Day, let us renew our commitment and our duty to uphold the values that defines us as a nation. We are indivisible. We are unshakable. We are American citizens. We are thankful for our freedom, bound by our unity, and resolute with America's enduring spirit. We are the United States of America, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So, as we light up the skies with fireworks today, let us also light up our hearts with gratitude. Gratitude for liberty, for the sacrifice of so many, and for the great nation we call home. From everyone here at TECfusions, happy Independence Day.